Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Tony and welcome to today's jailbreak update video. Now, if you guys want all this information in today's video written out in an article form, definitely check out the best tech info link down below in this video's description. Now, if you guys have been keeping up with my latest jailbreak updates, this one's going to feel like a bit of a repeat or a recap, but in any sense, I wanted to get a video out today letting you guys know the latest news and warn you guys, most importantly, of some of the fake jailbreaks out there for iOS 12. There is not a jailbreak out yet for iOS 12, but a lot of suggestions within Google and their videos lead you to these fake jailbreak tutorials that can be very harmful to your devices, and all in all, they won't work. Even within YouTube, some of the latest search results, iOS 12, how to jailbreak, that is not real, and fake jailbreaks. So I just want to warn you guys that that is getting to be more and more prominent as an iOS 12 jailbreak is becoming closer and closer to being released. Getting back into some of the latest updates, one thing that I wanted to update you guys on today is that iOS 12.1 as well as iOS 12.0.1 are both being signed. The latter 12.0.1 being the important part in today's video. So if you guys are looking to jailbreak and you're on iOS 12.1, I would highly advise to downgrade back to iOS 12.0.1 before the signing window closes, which could be any day now. iOS 12.1 was released on October 30th, and so it's expected that 12.0.1 could stop being signed at any point. In any case, if you're on iOS 11 and you're jailbroken, like I am on this phone right here, it's really up to you if you want to upgrade or not to iOS 12. I'm personally staying put where I'm at, and I'm saving blobs for 12.0.1, so hopefully in the future I can upgrade to 12.0.1 seamlessly without losing any jailbreak time. Definitely downgrade if you're on iOS 12.1 to iOS 12.0.1. Now, why is that the case? Well, if you guys remember, Umeng is working on 12.1 exploits. Unfortunately, 12.1 breaks the remounting issue once again, and he will be working on fixing it. And hopefully, once he's done, we'll not only have a jailbreak for iOS 12.0, 12.0.1, but also 12.1. Again, he says he's going to release everything once he's completely done. But if for whatever reason Umeng cannot achieve a successful remount on 12.1, we know right now it works on 12.0.1. This is why he's suggesting users that want to jailbreak to stay on that firmware or below for now until he has more information. Alright, moving on to iOS 11.4.1. As you guys know, we have this remote code execution kernel exploit that was released a few days ago. It looks to be pretty powerful, but again, really no one has used it within the jailbreaking community to advance on what it already has. I don't really have too much of an update there. If new information comes out about this, I'll be sure to update you guys promptly. And Ian Beer is also in the background now working on iOS 12 exploits. His iOS 11.4.1 exploits were released. Unfortunately, they are not capable of creating a jailbreak by itself. They are very powerful exploits once root read and write access can be achieved. When these exploits can be run with administrative privileges, essentially, they will be useful in various situations. But until that main kernel read and write vulnerability is found and an exploit is derived, these exploits that Ian Beer released, unfortunately, are not too useful at its current point in time. In any case, like I've been saying, he's now going to focus on iOS 12 research, so that will be great things along the lines of an iOS 12 jailbreak in the near future. Alright, now another thing that I wanted to discuss in today's video that I'm super excited about is Pwn to Own as well as Jake James are working together on a jailbreak detection bypass. Pwn to Own tweeted out this initially saying, if you were planning on updating to iOS 12 because of jailbreak detection, aka because one of your apps will not run on a jailbroken device, he says don't update to iOS 12. He says jailbreak detection will be over this time. And if we furthermore look at Jake James' Twitter account, he also says the same thing. He's working on a bypass with Pwn to Own that sounds like it's going to be implemented directly within the uncovered jailbreak. Maybe it could be ported to Electra, I'm not entirely sure, but at least as far as uncover users go, it sounds like an awesome custom jailbreak detection bypass method is going to be released rather soon, which is something iOS 11 has needed since day one, and no one has really come out with a successful patch or an all-inclusive patch for jailbreak detection on multiple apps on iOS 11. So hopefully if this is implemented in iOS 11, when an iOS 12 jailbreak comes out, hopefully we will have the same jailbreak detection bypass method implemented in the new utility. In any case, that is something to be excited about. He says you'll all be very happy once this is released. In any case, guys, those were the main things I wanted to update you on today. New jailbreak detection bypass methods, the current status on iOS 12 and 11.4.1 exploits and vulnerabilities, and just to give everyone a warning about fake iOS 12 jailbreaks. Do not be tempted to download these. They will not jailbreak your device, and they will only cause harm to your currently stable iOS device. Again, watch out for those. Stay tuned for official updates from our channel, iCrack Your iDevice. Again, check the link down below to our Best Tech Info website if you guys want to be updated in an article and written out form. I'm very excited. I just wanted to say one last thing. We have ordered a ton of new devices from Apple that were released at their October event. We have new iPads, the Mac Mini, and the MacBook Air coming in this Wednesday, so stay tuned for unboxings. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, be sure to give me a thumbs up. If you want to stay updated, subscribe. But until next time, this is Tony, signing out.